Welcome to room 11. So in this room, we have quite a few things that help our children to have a nice calm body, a calm heart, and calm mind. And so we can come into this space. There's a sensory walk along this wall and all the way along the back of the wall. As you notice, there's some squares on the floor. This is an open floor concept where kids can come in, and we've done yoga in these squares. We've been able to just kind of really take a whole body approach to being able to have a calm body and spirit. There are 2 desks in the room, so if a student wanted to have a quiet space to get some work done, we can come in here. We also have our classroom library where students can grab books and put it in their book bin, which is in the classroom. Along the wall, we also have some breathing techniques and calming techniques like the figure 8, fire hands, hawk hugs. There's a few activities that they can do to help de-escalate. We also have an image of all different facial expressions and emotions that go along with it, so that way students can help articulate how they feel and what we can do to help them feel better, to come back to class feeling renewed and ready to get working. So as I mentioned before, we have our sensory walk, which is here, and I think that's really great. Students can come in and use that throughout the day. We also have a privacy area, which is familiar to the students from last year. I'm just going to take you guys and bring you over there. So here's our privacy screen. Students do a really good job of understanding that we respect each other's privacy when we come back here. So students can come onto the mat if they need. They can use the mat, roll around, get down on their knees, and be safe and comfortable. And as I mentioned before, students are really good about understanding and respecting privacy and saying, okay, someone's back here, I'm not going to come back here right now. We also have some sensory toys, squishy things, we have sand timers, nesting dolls, different things to help the students feel nice and calm and be able to come back to class ready to learn. So this is a really awesome space. There's plenty of functions for it, and so we're really excited to be able to have this room this year. All right, thank you.